Hello, so this is an unboxing of Exo's albums that I recently got. If you've watched my other video, you would have seen that I bought my albums, and two of them were these two, and I decided to unbox them together since it's both Exo. Where should I start? I guess I'll start with Baekhyun. Exodus, which I wanted Kai, and if not Kai, I wanted Lay, but I knew, like, you did say that it was random, but you could choose a member and they would try to send that one. So I asked for Kai's or Lay, but the request thingy said Kai, so I guess they just put it in as Kai. But yeah, apparently Kai was not available, so I got Baekhyun, and I'm not sure what to do with this. I guess I'll see. Maybe I'll buy Kai's version later and sell this or something, because Baekhyun is not my favorite member, and I know this contains like photos of only that member, because otherwise I maybe wouldn't have cared that much. And if EXO was to be my favorite group, maybe I wouldn't have cared either, but they're not my absolutely favorite group, and they do have only pictures of one member, so, but the album's really pretty. I like the gold and black. That's really nice. Open it up with the CD. Really nice. I saw the photo card. I'm going to put it away and I'll just cut out that part so you guys can't see, but the photo card is good. The photo card is good. Thank goodness. I will keep my photo card at least. Look at the photos. These are nice photos. It's nice. It's really nice photos, but I would have liked it more if I got Kai or Lay's version, you know. That one's really nice. It's colored. Isn't that the first colored picture? Oh no, it's not, but these ones are like really small. So I didn't notice it that much. Just really cool pictures. I really like it. I just... Whoa, 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 what am I doing? Dio. I like Dio. Yeah, he's not like my favorite member, but he's in the top 5. Baekhyun isn't, but I don't know. I like him still also, but that is the photo book. Did I show the back? I don't think I did. Oh yeah, this is like a little bit of a moon there, and I already saw unboxing, so I knew. And the songs, which you probably can't see, but that's the album, and then a photo card. I already saw it, but you know. So first you have this thingy. I have no idea what that code is for, so I'm not sure if I shouldn't show that or something, but the card I got was Lay. I'm so lucky. So I got Lay for Miracles in December, and I have this card again. I'm so happy. Yeah, I'll now unbox the other one. Not sure if I will do it in the same video actually, because it's like, I don't know. But oh well. On to the next video.